you excited to move to Bangalore, the city of awesomeness?
Definitely. Awesomeness and awesome people as well.
I have to agree with her. Bangalore definitely is one of the best places to be, especially for work. Hit the like button for Nama Bengaluru. Vatsalya was recently placed at Eton Solutions. She says her outgoing personality may have helped her land the job. Let's find out how, and yeah, stay tuned for some more Bengaluru fun. Congratulations on getting placed. How's the job going?
The job's going great. I recently, joined a few months ago. There was interview and then I was placed. I had to move to Bangalore. So it was really exciting. When I applied for this interview, I called up the HR of the company and then I'm like, I'm a little nervous. Can you suggest me what topics I can refer when I attend the interview? And she was like, more than interview, what we look in the candidates is confidence. So this is her exact line. Okay, I'm not taking it. So she said that. I'm like, okay, wow, she's given me a lesson now. So I thought, okay, whatever I know, I should be confident. So and confidence comes from how well we know our concepts. Okay, I told myself, okay, try to be a little confident so that you can answer the questions well.
Just ask what you need to, right? I mean, did you prepare for the rounds?
Oh, definitely. Even for the group discussion and even for the technical round, I prepared myself well enough. I like to prepare myself when I'm, speaking to a new person or especially for companies when they're hiring. So I've gone through all the LinkedIn pages, accounts, and read a little bit about the company on the Google and on the LinkedIn. So I made some points. That, and of course for technical interview I've gone through our books again so to make sure maybe somewhere I can catch up.
You seem like a very outgoing person. Does being that help in such situations?
Yes, that definitely helped. Not just in the interview, even when I joined the company, I connected with a lot of them. I asked them new concepts, doubts, questions. So that even gives us a chance to bond, with new people at the company. So yes, that really helps.
When I started with Miles, first thing I did was to make as many friends as possible. It always helps when you are starting out. Did you always want to do accounting?
I don't know if it's what I always wanted to do, but in my intermediate, I was an MAC student. During intermediate, while I was studying, some of these concepts like diminishing marginal utility or factors of production. So something felt really interesting because, you see that your daily life elements are connected somewhere in this accounting finance concept. So I thought, okay, maybe we should pursue this more. We should understand this world more. So that's when, I started coming into this career.
How did you feel when you got the job? Did you celebrate?
Everything was at home, lockdown stories. But yes, I really felt it was a good break for me from the normal because this company is situated in Bangalore. So they asked me to come and join at Bangalore. That really, was exciting for me to move to Bangalore and then imagine a new reality for me there.
You sound like you are excited to move here.
Bangalore gives a really good experience with all the mall experiences and, shopping experiences. It was good. Everything, in Bangalore, we find all these things together, okay? Food, fun, friends, all the, and at the same time working. So I was working at the same time and also having fun at the same time. Living all by myself, managing my expenses.
How was your experience with Miles? You mentioned Varun's videos were very helpful to you.
He is like an immense knowledge bank, okay? So he has like real-time examples when he's teaching class. You attend his classes and then do the reading bit and the questions and all. I think there's nothing else that's more needed than that. Since I really feel bad that he's not in person teaching every class. But then, of course, we have recorded sessions. We get a chance to interact sometimes. So I'm telling this genuinely, okay, from the bottom of my heart. You've created a network. There is a very beautiful network. So I think there are HRs and normal students and people like you and me. So there is help from all sides. I really like that about Miles.
Have you watched the previous episodes? Go check them out. Like this video and I'll see you again.